anyone can unmute and read what I posted on the screen.
Sir, shall I share the screen?
Yes.
Good evening, Namaskar, Assalamu alaikum to the aspirants of PGLCET 2022-IT Act.
Good afternoon, sir. Namaskaram.
The Information
Assalamu alaikum.
Technology Act 2000, hosted by Motamari Srividya, Kwalikunda Sharad Babu and Professor Mohammed Saheb Hussain, IT Act 2000. Virtual classes are conducted on 18th and 19th of
course,
July
the 2 times,
2022.
another day also that will include the 2. Now, without wasting the time, then first start with the ladies. I mean, why do you say the first we should start with the ladies? Can anyone, I say participants, host should not give the answer.
Yes, sir. Means there should be always respect towards ladies.
Number 1.
There's
Number
a
2.
reason we should give, and we should encourage the female candidates always.
There are some etiquettes are there. When you enter into the new places.
Sir, they have got. Sorry, sir.
Say.
Sorry, sir. Sir, ladies have much patience, which should be appreciated, sir.
I say, why do you say ladies first?
They have got much patience. That's the reason we have to appreciate their patience, sir.
I am not asking the appreciation of the patient. I say, why the ladies first? I would like to see your IQ.
Yes, sir. Mother comes first. Child comes next.
Mother is the first teacher. Mother is the first teacher.
I said the host should not speak. I want to ask the participants. Yes, ladies first we say. In certain respects, for the new places, a gent should go first, whether the dangerous thing or not. But when you enter into your own home, ladies first. And when your matter comes for the stairs claiming, gent should go first, ladies follow later. In certain respects, ladies first. In certain respects, gents first, depending upon the circumstances. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When the child is there, parents will take care of it. When she is a youth and married, her husband will take care of her. When she is old, again the children will take care of her. So always a woman needs the protection. Okay, without wasting the time, why I am giving all those things? Tell me.
Moral teaching, sir.
Why I have ladies first? What is the reason? This is the reason. Okay, that PGLCET 2022 University College of Law, Usmania University, the Information Technology 2000 multiple choice question. And here the photo that you could see, the image is the host and her name is, and we know, the Sri Vidya Motamari. She's an advocate and pursuing their LM in the Usmania University campus, Hyderabad. Now I will turn over to the Motamari Sri Vidya. Start.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And the first question is, Information Technology Act 2000 is an act number of dash 2000. Option A, 35, B, 21, C, 13, D, 1.
Shoot,
Sir,
which is the
option B.
correct answer?
Yes. Option B is the correct answer. Act number 21 of 2000.
Yep.
Second question, which among the following with regard to Information Technology Act 2000 is not correct? A, it shall extend to whole of India. B, it does not apply to any offense or contraventions thereunder committed outside by any person. C, it is an act to provide legal recognition for transaction carried out by means of electric data. D, it is a primary law in India dealing with cyber crimes and electronic commerce.
Option B.
Yes,
It does not apply to any. Yeah.
Correct answer. Option B is the correct answer.
Yes, scrolling.
Third question.
That means it applies to any offense or contravention thereunder committed even outside India by any person.
Yes, sir. Third question, Information Technology Act 2000 came into force on 1st January 2001, option B 11th June 2000, option C 17th October 2000, Option D, 24th December 2002.
It is somewhat confusing actually.
A
Option
simple
D, madam.
no. Simple question. The act itself says 2000. So you can choose between option B and C.
B and C. October. It should be October then.
Yes. 17th October
Mhm.
2000. We always
Yeah.
interlink with the act, which year it came, and it commencement when it came to force.
Yeah.
So that it will be very easy for us. Fourth question. Who was the President of India who signed the Information Technology Act 2000? Option A, APJ Abdul Kalam. Option B, KR Narayan. Option C, Atal Bihar Vajpayee. Option D, Pratibha Patil. In 2000, who was the President of India?
Pratibha Patil.
No. Pratibha Patil
No.
came in the year 2007.
K.R.
Yes.
Narayan.
B, madam. K.R. Narayan.
Yes.
B.
Option B is the correct answer.
Okay.
Fifth question. Digital signature is defined under which section of IT Act 2000? Option A, Section 1. Option B, Section 2. Option C, Section 8. Option D, Section 6.
Option C, Section 8.
Sorry, it's option B, Section 2. Whatever the act may be, Section 2 defines all the definitions of the particular act. If you even see any act, the definition part would be in the Section 2 itself. And next,
Yep.
sixth question. Information Technology Act 2000 directed the formation of a controller of the certifying authority to regulate the issuance of. Issuance of. Option A, data license. Option B, IP address in India. Option C, digital signature. Option D, internet service provider license.
Option C, digital signature.
Yes, correct answer. And seventh question, Information Technology Act 2000 amendment, which among the following to make them a complaint with new technologies? Either it is Indian Penal Code 1860 or Indian Evidence Act 1872, Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891, Reserve Bank of India Act 1934.
Except fourth. Yep.
No.
Options
All the
is
above is
given
correct.
A, B, C, D.
Yes.
Yeah.
All the three, all the four.
Then the right answer is?
No, I don't think so. Reserve Bank.
It is there.
So
It
I
is
don't
there.
think so. Reserve Bank.
It is there.
Okay. Okay.
Any questions?
Online payments. Online payments.
Okay, go to the
So
next question.
all these acts have been amended in Information Technology Act 2000.
8. Eighth question, a major amendment to Information Technology Act 2000 was made in the year. Option A 2001, option B 2016, option C 2012, option D 2008.
2012. Option C.
Even in the 2012 also amendments were made, but comparatively in 2008 we got much
Eight.
amendments.
Yeah, 8. Yeah. 2008.
2008 is the correct answer. Next question. Which among the following was established under IT Act 2000 to resolve dispute arising from the law? Option A, Cyber Appellant Tribunal. Option B, Technology Dispute Bureau. Option C, Cyber Administrative Tribunal. Option D, IT Dispute Tribunal.
Option A. Cyber Appellate Tribunal.
Yes, option A is the correct answer, sir. And next question, 10th question. Section 66A, which penalized sending offensive messages, was introduced in IT Act 2000 through. I think we got.
Yeah, which among the following are the major insertion in the act? Read.
Option A, Section 66A, which penalized sending offensive messages. Option B, Section 69, which gave authorities the power of interception of monitoring and decryption of any information through any computer.
There are options are different, Srividya. A option is Information Technology Amendment Act 2008. B option is Information Technology Amendment Act 2003. C, Information Technology Amendment Act 2015. D, Information Technology Amendment Act 2005.
Yeah, just there is a confusion would be there in the giving the options.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
it
It was
2016.
but whatever the thing is there, okay, I will give the supplement to you. In the 66A, which is said to be the unconstitutional, in which case law? Supplementary question.
Sir, in one of this case in Rajasthan, actually, I don't remember the names of the parties. We're in the
It is
office.
Shreya Shingal case.
Yeah,
Shreya Singhal or Singh?
Shingle.
Single.
Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. There it is struck down 66 capital A. Now I turn to my host is Kolikonda Sharad Babu. Be ready. And regarding the Kolikonda Sharad Babu, I already told you that he is a retired English lecturer and he is also pursuing the LLM second year in the affiliated college of Usmania University, and you know him well. His name is Kolikonda Sharad Babu. Now the microphone turned to the first question of Kolikonda Sharad Babu. Continue.
Now, the 11th question is
What? No, don't read. Read what I posted on the screen.
information technology. Sir, the same question is repeated here.
Oh, okay, now
The
what
first
about this
question.
one?
No, that is also
This is also
that
repeated.
is also over, sir.
Okay,
10
what about this
questions
one?
are over. 10 questions are already over.
I told Vidya, whatever that Sharath Babu has presented it, you are not supposed to repeat it, I told her. Clearly. Okay, it doesn't matter. From 11th question, you read it. 11th also
Which
repeated.
among the following, no, sir. Which among the following is our main insertions
Class
of
में
IT Act
बाद में phone कर दो.
2000 through Information Technology Amendment Act 2008? A. Section 66A, which penalized sending offensive messages. B. Section 69, which gave authorities the power of interception or monitoring or decryption of any information through any computer resource. C. It introduced a provision addressing pornography, child porn, cyber terrorism, and voyeurism. D.
sir,
All the above.
Option D, sir, all of the above.
Yes, option D is the correct answer. It introduced all the above. Now, 12th question. Which among the following under IT Act 2000 has the maximum penalty of imprisonment up to life? A. Using passwords of another person. B. Securing access or attempting to secure access to a protective system. C. Publication for fraudulent purpose. D. Acts of cyber terrorism.
Option D, sir, acts of cyber terrorism.
Yes, option D is the correct answer. Acts of cyber terrorism, one can be imprisoned for life. Now,
Is there a difference between cyber terrorism and cyber crime?
cyber terrorism is uh, encouraging terrorism through information technology. So that is all the terrorist activities that are encouraged through cyber, that is information technology using IT, that is cyber terrorism. But crime may be any other thing apart from other than terrorism.
Yes, sir. The
So
main
that,
thing in cyber crime is about attacking of or stealing of money.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
that does not amount to terrorism, but the other acts like sedition, all the other crimes, major crimes, which are encouraged through this information
Cyberspace.
technology, they come under cyber terrorism. 13th
Yeah,
question.
terrorism on cyberspace. Yeah.
Yes, that is also. 13th question. Section 66A of IT Act 2000 has been struck down by Supreme Court's order dated 24th March 2015, in which case? Of course, we have already discussed. A.
Yeah.
Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. B. Puttaswamy versus Union of India. 3. Shayara Bano versus Union of India. D. Indra Sahani versus Union of India.
A, sir, same. Shreya, single.
Yes, already we have
Supplementary
discussed.
questions.
Shreyas,
What is the Puttaswamy
yes,
Union of
single
India
versus
stands for?
Sorry,
Aadhaar
sir.
case.
Puttaswamy versus Union of India. What it stands for? What it says?
Aadhaar card, sir. Related to Aadhaar card, I guess.
Yes. And which is the highest judgment. Then what about the Shayara Bhanu versus Union of India?
Saira Banu, sir. Maintenance after divorce.
No.
No, triple talaq.
Triple talaq is right. What
Triple talaq, okay.
Motamari said. Then what about Indira Sahni versus Union of India?
that
It's
is
regarding
pertaining
the
to
reservation.
Mandal Commission's
BC.
creamy layer.
Yes, a creamy layer. The main thing about the case is, the reservation is only for the getting of job, not for the promotion.
Yes, you're
The
right.
creamy layer was
Next.
applied in particular case.
Now,
14th
14th
question,
question.
read.
In the year 2020, Indian government banned 59 Chinese mobile apps, including TikTok, invoking which section of IT Act 2000? A. Section 66A. B. Section 66F. C. Section 72A. D. Section 69A.
Section
66 option
69A.
A.
69A, sir.
When you read
Yes,
the
option D is the correct answer.
section 69 capital A, that is the style of reading.
Yes,
Yes,
so section 69 capital A that banned according to this section 59 Chinese mobile apps and that also included TikTok. Okay, 15th question. The data privacy rules were introduced in IT Act 2000 in the year A 2008, B 2011, C 2015, D 2020.
Option A, sir. 2008.
It is option B 2011. Those data privacy rules were introduced. Next question, 16th question. What is the name of the IT law that India is having in the Indian legislature? A. India's Technology IT Act 2000. B. India's Digital Information Technology DIT Act 2000. C. India's Information Technology Act IT Act 2000. D. The Technology Act 2008.
Option C,
Option
sir.
C, sir.
C, sir. Option C.
Option C is the correct answer. India's Information Technology IT Act 2000. Now, 17th question. In which year India's IT Act came into existence? Of course. Option A 2000, option B 2001, option C 2002, option D 2003.
Option A, sir.
Option A, sir.
2000.
Option A 2000. Now, 18th question. What is the full form of ITA 2000? A. Information Tech Act 2000. B. Indian Technology Act 2000. C. International Technology Act 2000. D. Information Technology Act 2000.
Option D, sir. Information Technology Act.
So option D is the correct answer. Information Technology Act 2000.
The right way
19th
of saying is, supplement, the right way of saying is the Information Technology Act.
Yes, the Information Technology Act 2000. 19th question. Under which section of IT Act stealing any digital asset or information is written as a cybercrime? A. 65, B. 65D, C. 67, D. 70.
67, sir. Option C.
No, sir. It should be
Option D, 70.
60, 65, sir.
Option A is the correct answer, 65. That section deals with stealing any digital asset or information that is written as cybercrime. Now, 20th question. What is the punishment in India for stealing computer documents, assets, or any software source code from any organization, individual, or from any other means? A. 6 months of imprisonment and a fine of rupees 50,000. B. 1 year of imprisonment and a fine of 1 lakh. C, 2 years of imprisonment and a fine of 2,50,000. D, 3 years of imprisonment and a fine of 5 lakh rupees.
Option A,
last
6
D.
months of imprisonment and fine of rupees.
Yes, option D is
D,
the
sir.
correct answer. 3 years of imprisonment and a fine of 5 lakh rupees. That is for stealing any computer documents, assets, or software source from any individual organization or any other.
Yes, Sharad
Next.
Babu, let me come into the picture. Yes, PG Law
Okay, sir,
related with the University of College of Law, and as usual, the Information Technology Act 2000, multiple choice question. It is me, you could see me, and you know about me, I need not to say again. Then the first question goes in this manner. India became the dash country to enable cyber law after it passed the Information Technology Act 2000. Option A, 10th. Option B, 11th. Option C, 12th. Option D, 13th.
10th century.
Yes?
Yes.
10th century, sir. It's option A.
Is the 10th. Option A.
C,
Yes.
Wrong.
option C, sir, 12th.
It is the option
Option
C.
C, sir.
Is the right answer. 12th country.
12.
India became the 12th country to enable the cyber law after it is passed the Information Technology Act 2000. Is it clear? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The Act provides a legal recognition to dash the three, but not the one. Three are correct, but not the one. That means odd man out. The Act provides a legal recognition to A option, e-transactions, B option, digital signature, C option, other electronic means of transaction, and D, none of the above.
None of the, no, sir. It should be somewhat tricky. Other electronic means of transactions. Option C.
Wrong.
It's
None of
option
the
D,
above,
sir.
sir.
None of
Digital
the.
signature, sir. B.
Yes?
It is it. A and D are recognized, sir.
See,
Sir,
feedback.
it's option D.
The Act provides a
It's
legal
option
D.
recognition to e-transaction, one, digital signature, two, and other electronic means of communication. So what is
It's
the
all of
thing?
the above.
D, sir.
None of the
None of the
above.
above.
None of the above.
None of the above is the answer we have to say. When you say
Sir,
not,
means none of the above means
None of the above means the other three are covered.
others three are relevant.
Acha,
Others
But
three
not
are
the
not
one
the
means
one.
relevant.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So negative way of asking. Third question. While the first draft was created by the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India as the dash, it was redrafted as the Information Technology Bill 1999 and passed in May 2000. E-Commerce Act 1996, E-Commerce Act 1997, E-Commerce Act 1998, option D, E-Commerce Act of 1999.
So
Option A,
E-Commerce
sir.
Act of 99, sir.
6.
D,
Repeat.
sir. Option D, sir.
Run.
Option A, sir. E-commerce
Right.
Act
Option
1996.
A is right. E-Commerce Act of 1996. That is the fill up the blanks. They are the right answer. The fourth question. IT Act amended the following three, but not the one act. A. Indian Penal Code 1860. B. The Indian Evidence Act 1872. C. The Bankers Ledger Evidence Act 1891. The D. The Reserve Bank of India Act of 1934.
It's option D,
Sir,
sir. The
option
Reserve
D.
Bank of India in 1934.
Say
option C is the correct. Option C.
Option D.
C is not, but what is the right way? I know that C is the wrong answer here. Then what is the
Yes.
right one?
Option C. The Bankers Ledgers Evidence Act 1891.
Yes, you are right. Why it is wrong? That's my point.
Ledgers related to accounts, sir.
Ledgers
Books,
cannot be
not
amended.
ledgers. See the feedback. The Bankers Books Evidence Act, not the Ledgers Act. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Good,
Yes, sir.
good. Fifth question. The objective of the IT Act are as follows. Find the odd man out. Means three are relevant. A. Grant legal recognition to all transactions done via electronic exchange of data or other electronic means of communication or e-commerce in place of the earlier paper-based method of transaction. B. Option, give legal recognition to digital signatures of the authentication of any information or matters requiring legal authentication. C. Facilitate the electronic filing of the document with the government agency and also departments. D. All of the above.
D, all of the above.
Actually,
All are right, sir.
not Oddman here. Yes, what is the
All are
right
right,
answer?
sir.
If you see the feedback, you could know it. Anyone, the participant, read the feedback? I already
That question, sir. Find the odd man out. You can remove it. Then the person is okay.
Yeah. Grant legal recognition to all transactions done via electronic exchange of data and other electronic means of communication or e-commerce in place of earlier paper-based method of communication. What I wrote there?
Transaction.
Transaction. If you read well only, you could know which is the right and appropriate word, because if you read in the earlier, it is said the means of communication or e-commerce in place of earlier paper-based method of, again the communication should come. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your framing question is so much hard, sir. No. The critical way that you have to find it out. That then only you become more expert. The sixth question.
Okay.
Which one is not the object of IT Act? A. Facilitate the electronic storage of data. B. Give legal sanction and also facilitate the electronic transfer of funds between the banks and financial institutions. C. Grant legal recognition to the bankers under the Evidence Act 1891 and the Reserve Bank of India Act of 1934 for keeping the books of accounts in electronic form. D. All of the above.
Option A, sir. Facilitate the
Option
electronic
C,
storage of
sir.
data.
The other things are
Option
not objective.
D, all the above, sir.
All the above.
Option C.
Not the
All
object. No, one is not the object. Not all the above. One is not the object.
A, sir. A, sir.
It's option,
No.
it's option C, sir. Grant
C
legal
is the right
recognition to
answer.
bankers.
Grant legal recognition to bankers under the Evidence Act and the Reserve Bank of India Act 94, keeping the books of accounts in electronic form. So that would be the answer for the sixth question. The seventh question, which is the feature of Information Technology Act 2000? All electronic contact made through the source electronic channels are legally valid. B. Legal recognition for digital signatures. C. Security measure for electronic records and also digital signatures are in place. And D. All of the above.
D, sir.
D,
All
sir.
of the above.
It is the all of the above is the right answer. Okay, now I will ask you the one question. How many times digital signature is used in the Information Technology Act?
2 times, sir.
75 times.
Means in what way, sir?
Digital signature is used, that word, in the entire Information Technology Act of 2000.
Okay.
75 times it is used.
Oh, that way. I thought while doing the verification of digital signature, they have public key and private key.
And
I thought in that way.
electronic signature also used in the Information Technology Act of 2000 75 times.
Okay.
Now, which is the appropriate word? Electronic signature is the appropriate word or digital signature is the appropriate word?
Digital signature is
Digital
the
signature.
appropriate one.
Digital signature
signature
is an appropriate word. Eighth
Yes.
question. The following is not the feature of the IT Act 2000. A procedure for the appointment of educating officer for holding inquiries under the Act is finalized. B option, provision for establishing a cyber regulatory appellate tribunal under the Act. Further, this tribunal will handle all the appeals made against the order of the controller and adjudicating officer. C. An appeal against the order of the Cyber Appellate Tribunal is possible only in the Supreme Court. D. Digital signature will use an asymmetric crypto system and also hash functions. I said not the feature of the IT Act.
Sir, option A, sir.
No.
The procedure for appointment of adjudicating officer.
When you see the features of the IT Act, you could easily make it out. But you did not read the feature of the IT Act.
C is the correct answer, sir.
C is the correct answer. Can you tell me the reason?
It can be possible only to High Court, sir.
High
It cannot
Court.
be directly referred to, sir.
An appeal against the order of the Cyber Appellate Tribunal is possible only in the High Court, not the Supreme Court. If you happen
Sir, I
to see
want
the
to
features of it, we
I
can
want
make
to
it
ask a
out.
doubt, sir.
Yes.
Earlier it was electronic signature, now it is digital signature.
Yes.
Okay.
And it can be asked, electronic signature is used in which section of the IT Act? Number one. Number two, digital signature is where by virtue of the IT Act, which section says? Supplementary.
It is defined.
Okay, but enough now. I will turn over to the Motomari. You can deal it now.
Yes, sir.
From 12th, you can deal it. Is it yours?
No, sir. From 21st.
You want to deal from 20?
21st.
Okay, now deal from 20.
The key of a pair used to create digital signature is known as option A, public key, option B, private key, option C, creator key, option D, secret key.
It's option B, private key.
Yes. For creating, we use private key.
Say
And
loud
21st
voice,
question.
not so murmuring. Yes, you should speak like a lioness.
Okay, sir. 21st question. The key of a key pair used to verify digital signature. Option A, public key, option B, private key, option C, verifying key, option D, secret key.
It's option C.
Option
Public
C.
key. Public key.
Yes.
Option C, verifying
For
key.
verifying, we use public key. For creating, we use private key.
Private key, yeah. Now it is
Please note the
verifying.
difference.
Public key.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
22nd question. The digital signature certificate under the IT Act 2000 is issued by the option A, controller, option B, certifying authority, option C, appellate tribunal, option D, cyber authority.
Sir, controller, sir. Option A. Or certifying authority, option B.
Yes. Option B is the correct answer. It is issued by the certifying authority itself. 23rd question. An electronic record under the IT Act 2000 can be authenticated by the subscriber by option A, affixing his digital signature, option B, preserving private key, option C, verification, option D, both B and C.
Option
Option
D,
A.
B and C.
Pardon
It's
again.
option A, affixing his
Option
digital.
D, D,
A.
option D.
Option
It's
I
option
think
A,
it is
affixing his
option
digital
B.
signature.
Other
Affixing
option
digital
A, I
signature.
think.
Yes. Option A is the correct answer, affixing his digital signature. 24th question. An application for issue of digital signature certificate should be accompanied by the prescribed fee not exceeding option A rupees 15,000, option B rupees 20,000, option C 25,000, option D rupees 30,000.
Option C, 25,000.
Yes, the amount is of 25,000. 25th question. Which of the following statement is? I think this question is completed, sir.
26th.
An adjudicating officer under IT Act 2000 for holding inquiry or imposing penalty is appointed by option A, controller, option B, central government, option C, cyber appellate tribunal, option D, high court.
Central government, option B.
Yes, option B is the correct answer, central government. A person of 27th question, any person who without the permission of the owner damage any computer system or computer network shall be liable to pay damages by way of compensation under IT Act 2000 up to rupees. Option A 1 lakh, option B 10 lakh rupees, option C 1 crore rupee, option D none of the above.
Option C, 1 crore rupees.
Yes, option C 1 crore rupees is the correct answer. 28th question. The Information Technology Act is popularly known as option A cyber law, option B electronic law, option C hacking law, option D security law.
Option A, cyber law.
Cyber law.
Yes, option A cyber law is the correct answer. 29th question. Key pair includes option A public key, option B private key, option C both A and B, option D pass key.
Option C, both A and B.
Both A and B.
Yes, the key are nothing but private and public keys. 38th question. Dash is the unique value for message or content. Option A hash, option B encryption, option C message digest, option D private key.
Encryption. Option B,
No, it's option C.
message digest. Okay.
Yes. 31st question. The electronic governance mean and includes filing. Option A filing any form online, option B making application online, option C filing any form online, option D both A and B.
Make application
option
online.
D.
Option B.
Both A and B.
Yes,
Yes,
option D, I think that is the correct answer. B, A and B.
A and B, both online but not offline.
Yeah.
The 32nd question. Which are the benefits of electronic governance? Option A, low cost. Option B, efficient working of government. Option C, transparency in working of government. Option D, all of the above.
Option D, all of the above.
Yes, this we could see in the preamble of the Act. Option 33rd question. Appeal can be made to the dash against the order of appellate tribunal. Option A, magistrate court. Option B, Supreme Court. Option C, High Court. Option D, both A and B. I think we already dealt with this question.
High Court, C option.
Yes. For all the appellate courts, the appellate court is nothing but High Court. All the tribunals, the appellate court is High Court.
Yeah.
34th question. Appeal can be made to High Court against the order of appellate tribunal within dash days.
30 days. Option A.
Read option.
60 days.
Option A 30 days, option B 60 days, option C 45 days, option D 90 days.
In 60
Option
days.
B, 60
B.
days.
Yes, 60 days is the correct answer. 35th question. The digital signature can be suspended with a certifying authority in case of option A public interest, option B interest of users, option C interest of any persons, option D both A and C.
Both A and C. Option D.
Wrong.
Interest of any
Option
person
A,
is nothing
public
but public interest. Yes,
Public
public
Option A.
interest. Option A is the correct answer. 36th question. The controller shall publish notice of dash license in the database maintained by him. Option A suspension, option B revocation, option C both A and B, option D none of the above.
C.
Option C, A and B.
Yes. What it may be suspension or revocation. The notice should be published. 37th question. What is the punishment in India for stealing computer document assets or any software source code for any organization,
Completed.
individuals, or
Completed.
from any other means? Sir?
This is
It is
completed.
already
Yes, it's
over.
option D.
Go to the 38th.
Option is D.
What is the update version of IT Act 2000? Option A IT Act 2007, option B Advanced IT Act 2007, option C IT Act 2008, option D Advanced IT Act 2008.
Option C, IT Act 2008.
Yes, option C is the correct answer.
Yes,
2000. The
Kolikota,
major amendments
continue.
were made in 2008.
Shall I turn down which question?
21st. 22nd,
Kolikota.
sir.
Sharat
22nd question, sir.
22nd.
Which
Sir,
question?
22nd question.
Read.
22nd question. In which year the Indian IT Act 2000 got updated? A. 2006, B. 2008, C. 2010, D. 2012.
Option B, 2008.
Yes, option B is the correct answer. 23rd question. What type of cybercrime, its laws and punishment, does Section 66 of the Indian IT Act holds? A. Cracking or illegal hack to any system. B. Putting antivirus into the victim. C. Stealing data. D. Stealing hardware components.
Option A, sir.
Option A.
Yes,
Hacking.
option A is the correct answer. Cracking or illegally hack into any system. Now, 24th question. Accessing computer without prior authorization is a cyber crime that comes under A. Section 55, B. Section 66, C. Section 68, D. Section 70.
Section 65.
Option A.
Section
Option A.
55.
Wrong.
Option B is the correct answer. Section 66. 25th question. The date on which Supreme Court of India invalidated Section 66A of IT Act 2000. A. 24/3/2015. B. 31/3/2015. C. 1/2/2015. D. 1/6/2015.
It's option C, sir. 1st January
The
2015.
day on which this Shreya Singhal has come.
24th March 2015. Option A.
Yes, that is option A is the correct answer. 24th March 2015. 24/3/2015. Now, 26th question. What is the penalty for publishing images of a person's private parts without consent as per IT Act 2000? A. 5 years imprisonment or 5 lakh rupees penalty or both. B. Life imprisonment. C. 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both. D. None of the above.
Option C.
Yes, option C is the correct answer. 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both.
Both.
Now, 27th question. What is the punishment for identity theft in IT Act? A. Sir, what is that?
2 years imprisonment.
Yes, 2 years imprisonment or 1 lakh rupees penalty or both. B. 3 years imprisonment or 1 lakh rupees penalty or both. C. 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both. D. None of the above.
Sir, option C, sir. 3 years.
Option B is the correct answer.
1
3
year.
years imprisonment and
A.
this,
Yes.
what is the penalty for destroying computer source code? A. 3 year imprisonment or 3 lakh rupees penalty or both. B. 2 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both. C. 3 years imprisonment or 5 lakh rupees penalty or both. D. 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees or both.
Option C.
Wrong.
Sir, option 2, B, sir. 2 years imprisonment.
Option D is the correct answer. 3 years imprisonment or 2 lakh rupees penalty or both for destroying computer source code. That is the penalty. Now, 28th question. What is the penalty? 29th question. Which are the sections of IT applicable for cyber pornography? I think you all know pornography. A 66, 66A, 66B, B 67, 67A, 67B, C 67, 67C, 67D, D none of the above.
Sir, option A, sir.
Any other option?
Option B, sir.
Yes, option B is the correct answer.
C. 66 deals with
67,
stealing of data.
67A, 67B.
Okay.
Now, 30th question. Which section of IT Act deals with child pornography? A. Section 67F, B. Section 67D, C. 67C, D. 67B.
67C, sir. Option C.
We have already once come across this section, one of the sections. D, 67B, section 67B, child pornography. So the sections pertaining to pornography are 67, 67A, 67B, but for child pornography it is 67B. Now 31st question. What is the maximum penalty for damage to computer systems, unauthorized access, download of data, infecting with virus, denial of access, etc. as per section 43? Already come across, sir.
Yes, commercial.
1 crore. It is 1 crore.
Yes, sir.
Only.
That is second question. Which section of IT Act 2000 proposes a punishment of life imprisonment? A, section 66F, B, section 66C, C, section 66B, D, section 66A, life imprisonment.
66F, sir. Section A.
Yes, 66F.
Cyber terrorism.
That provides life imprisonment.
Yes.
Now, 33rd question. Which are the sections of IT Act deal with the credit card fraud? Credit card fraud. A, 42, 67, 67A, 67B. B, 66, 66C, 66D, C, 43, 66, 66D, C, 66D. D, none of them.
Option C, sir. 43, 66.
Yes, option C, 43,
Yeah.
66, 66C, 66D. See, if you look at last two sections, there is card CD. You can
Credit,
take it as
debit.
a clue to remember. Remember
Yeah,
these
credit card,
sections.
debit. Yeah, credit card, debit
Yes.
card. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I beg your pardon. At
Now-
any time, it can be stopped now. So the rest of the remaining questions will be dealt to IT, and the two acts will deal tomorrow. Till it will stops, Kolikonda will continue it.
Okay, sir.
34th question. Which of the following is an example of the intellectual property? A, patent, B, trademark, C, copyright, C, all of the above. Of course,
All of the
this
above, sir.
question may not be
Simple
constrained
answer.
with IT Act. Anyhow, C, all of the above.
Yes, sir.
35th question. What is the time limit for filing appeal against the order of cyber appellate
This is
tribunal? Already we have done it,
repeated.
sir.
Okay, let me check
Now-
in the IQ. Let me check in their memory.
60
Sir,
days.
Just
60 days.
60 days, sir.
then
60 days.
okay.
appreciate. Next.
Now 36th question. Which is the appeal court on the orders issued by cyber appellate tribunal? A, municipal
Court, sir.
court, B, district
High
court,
Court.
C, high
Completed,
court,
sir.
D, supreme court.
C, sir,
Yes,
High Court.
High Court, sir.
See.
Next question. Which is the term of the office of the pending officer of the presiding officer of the cyber appellate tribunal? A, 3 years, B, 4 years, C, 6 years, D, 5 years.
5 years, sir.
5 years.
Generally, for all these 5 years are
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय तव आह्वान प्रचारित सुनि तव उदार वाणी